Whose hat is that? Whose hat is that? Whose hat is that? Whose laptop is this? Whose laptop is this? Whose laptop is this? Whose glasses are those? Whose glasses are those? Whose glasses are those? Whose keys are these? Whose keys are these? Whose keys are these? Whose room is that? Whose room is that? Whose room is that? Whose wallet is this? Whose wallet is this? Whose wallet is this? There's a bag on the floor. Whose is it? There's a bag on the floor. Whose is it? There's a bag on the floor. Whose is it? Those photos are amazing. Whose are they? Those photos are amazing. Whose are they? Those photos are amazing. Whose are they? Whose is this? Whose is this? Whose is this? Whose are these? Whose are these? Whose are these? Those books are my husband's. Those books are my husband's. Those books are my husband's. I think those glasses are Chloe's. I think those glasses are Chloe's. I think those glasses are Chloe's. Whose folder is this? Is it Paula's? Whose folder is this? Is it Paula's? Whose folder is this? Is it Paula's? It's not Paula's, it's mine. It's not Paula's, it's mine. It's not Paula's, it's mine. Whose car is that? Is it your neighbor's? Whose car is that? Is it your neighbor's? Whose car is that? Is it your neighbor's? That's my boss's office. That's my boss's office. That's my boss's office. Is this Carlos's dog? Is this Carlos's dog? Is this Carlos's dog? That's not my parents' car. That's not my parents' car. That's not my parents' car. Is that Henry's watch? No, it's Jamie's. Is that Henry's watch? No, it's Jamie's. Is that Henry's watch? No, it's Jamie's. This is Mary's laptop. This is Mary's laptop. This is Mary's laptop.
Dale clic a la imagen para la siguiente lista de frases, y continúa aprendiendo.